everyone, I'm Sushma and I'm an intern with Pinky Minds. So lately I have been making a series of videos where I talk about how as a student I have been handling stress because these unpredictable times seem to be coming to a never-ending phase, and we constantly need some stress buster as a student because the whole situation as adults, I'm pretty sure it's hard to cope up with, and to be cooped up in our rooms and constantly being pressurized to catch up with our college work, though we aren't physically present in college. Like, it's basically like we're carrying back our college home, and it's a very unpleasant feeling. Because of this, I have started to make these few videos where I talk about these small habits that you can incorporate in your daily lives, so that it can reduce the stress to some amount, and I'm sure that it will make you feel less stressed, way more relieved than you started out. So today I'm talking about passion, but before these I've spoken about the first was silence, where it's nothing but meditation, where you give yourself some time and helps you keep you more calmer throughout the day. Then we had envision, where you have like a small Q&A session to give yourselves more clarity as to what you want out of life for yourself. And the third was accountability, where I said you can have an accountability partner, where you can have someone responsible for your tasks. You're answerable to someone so that your sense of duty increases. And today, as I've mentioned, I'll be talking about passion. Time and about, we've always come across the statement where we always have to follow our passion or never lose ourselves in the physical world where there's so much pressure and competition. And that's exactly what I will be talking about today as well, but I will be emphasizing more on how important this is at our current situation and the current scenario that we are all living through right now. Passion isn't something that just makes you happy to do. It can be something that drives you every day. You can it can be anything as trivial as maybe knitting, or it could be planting a tree, right? It can be very small. It can be like playing an instrument, it can be writing, it can be drawing, sketching, painting. But these are these small tasks in a day that will give you immense joy and happiness throughout the day. It will help you to push through, and it gives you that sense of productivity as well, because you have done something that you love, and you've done something that will give you that satisfaction in the end of the day, right? And I hope that all of y'all find your passion. Like, it can be anything, as I've already mentioned, it can be anything small or huge, but follow it, do it, because it can instill a lot of happiness in you. Because right now what we need to spread is happiness, to ourselves and the ones around us. We need to be able to constantly instill so much happiness within ourselves that it radiates across the room, and it can make others around you happy as well. So by doing this small task of following your passion will instill a lot of happiness, joy, satisfaction, encouragement, self-motivation in you, which will radiate across the room, and it might make anyone, maybe your siblings or your parents or loved ones, family, it makes anyone happy because your mood is happy. And to keep your mood happy is to follow these passions, and by doing this, your stress level reduces drastically. I'm not saying by the end of the day you'll have no stress. You'll definitely have stress from the daily tasks that we're doing. As students, as classes, as assignments, as projects. But at that moment of maybe 1 hour or 2 hours consecutively, you have that joy and happiness which will almost try to nullify the stress that you've been feeling. And that is exactly what we should be doing to encourage ourselves during these times, right? Because we don't get to go out very often at all. So try to bring that small joy to yourselves, give it to yourselves, bring it home. Like how we've been carrying back college work back home, try to carry back these small tasks that give you joy back home and make use of it. It may be something that you haven't tried before, you can give a try, or maybe something you've not given room for in your life because you were so busy with everything happening. So now is the time. We literally have all 24 hours to ourselves, and please give it a try because it can make a lot of change in the future. I hope you guys all stay safe, and until my next and the final video, I'll see you then. Thank you.